Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Morning everybody, let's take a look again on the euro currency. So in general in the euro we're watching for a retracement. Market hits the OP target, stands near the daily overbought, although it hasn't reached the major resistance yet, 12.07, 12.36. But here some minor response probably should happen, and that's particularly what we are watching for. Besides, today this will be European Central Bank meeting, and well, in general we are not expect some really breakthrough something on this meeting, because everybody understands that situation hasn't improved in the European Union. Economy statistics shows that everything stands approximately at the same level as it was. More diverse steps can't be taken by the European Central Bank, except maybe the quantitative easing that was announced. Maybe some details will be provided by the Mario Draghi on this statement. So in general, more or less, but situation stands stable. And currently, the performance on the euro currency mostly depends on the United States in US dollar statistics steps by the Fed, because they have more room for active policy, while on the European Central Bank actually now stands at the dead way, and actually it can't take more diverse steps, but it's not time to make any hawkish steps. And from that standpoint, this is relatively stable situation. That's why volatility on the euro currency, well, probably could be, but hardly it will be very significant action. So that's why we are still mostly watching for the same setup that we discussed yesterday. Here is first pullback has happened. So if we'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, you could see that harmonic swing was completed precisely at the FIB support that we talked about. It's 111.06 weekly pivot point. This first level has been touched. Theoretically, that was the first level where scalp traders could try to take the long position. You could see the pullback has happened. Reaction, it's healthy reaction on this area. Now the major question is whether we will get the second downward action, and whether we will get this kind of the ABCD retracement. Technical picture suggests that this is possible. Also, we haven't got any double repo bread and butter trade, but reaction actually corresponds to the idea of the bread and butter, because thrust is nice, 30% retracement, 618 pullback has happened. Now we're watching for another leg down. Unfortunately or fortunately, on the hourly chart we do not have any minor ABCD patterns, because just for this spike up, market has erased all the C points as our initial ABC top pattern, as larger ABC top D pattern. So here's we have another top that stands above both of these previous tops, and that's why the only potential pattern that we have here you could see on the 4-hour time frame chart. That's what we are watching for currently on the euro currency. As soon and if market will form this ABCD pattern, we will get catalyst to buy, and that will be at least some background for possible taking the long position on the euro. It will be also healthy retracement, and market will abandon the overbought area. Actually, currently it also stands out of the overbought, but reaction stands still a bit small. Finally, another pattern that we're watching for stands on the dollar index. So if you remember, on the dollar index we are watching for a possible bread and butter sell, and for that purpose market has to reach the first level, it's 27.66 FIB level, and appearing of the ABCD pattern here corresponds to downside ABCD pattern that we just talked about on the 4-hour time frame chart. So if it will be formed, we will get the same pattern as on the euro currency, right at the FIB resistance. That could trigger the double repo, bread and butter sell pattern, correspondingly making the parallel view on the euro currency. That will be opportunity to buy. So that's in the shorter term perspective what we will be watching for in the euro currency.